So first of all, I'm going to take the nail out of the tyre. There we go. Just make a mark like this so that you can see where the hole is before you forget. And then with the scouring tool, I'm going to make an even bigger hole so that it's easy to get the gunge in. Now with some of this gunge that's in the repair kit, looks like a bit of beef jerky. Put it on the tool that looks like that, your plunging tool. Stick it on and stick it in. So with the insertion tool, just stuff some of that gunge in as best you can. in it goes, and then if you pull it out, hopefully it'll stay. Just like that. Next thing we need to do is fill the tyre up with air again. In your repair kit there should be a razor to cut off the gunge.